What is up, guys? Woody LS3 back with another vlog. Pretty bummed, guys. We had some issues over the weekend. I actually went out with one of my good buddies, Jacob, and his fully built max effort Z06 C6. We went out cruising to a little meet down in Houston. Truck was working really good. I was making boost, but I did notice some issues. Sometimes it would make it. I was making lower and lower boost. Got out there, I wasn't making any boost. Kind of know when you're not making any boost when the truck, you step on it and it's not going anywhere. So obviously I got a boost controller. I was able to see how much boost I was making. I was probably making like 1 pound. I was making like 5 pounds, and then as this night got later, I only went down to 1 pound. So brought it back up here to the house. That was on a Saturday. Didn't want to mess with it on a Sunday. Pretty much I had found some time. As y'all can see, I'm still in my work clothes. And yeah, guys, let me show y'all what I found. So right now I have the turbo out. As you can see, this is where the turbo goes. The turbo is over here. So what I found out is I actually have stainless steel hardware, nuts and bolts. And obviously anytime you have stainless steel, which I should have known this, but I didn't think about it or anything like that. Anytime you have stainless steel and it has heat, it will shrink. So obviously with this turbo log getting so hot, obviously it's gonna flex, and pretty much with time it's gonna make it loose. And then with all the vibration, obviously the motor is cammed out and everything like that, it's gonna make those nuts starting to go down. So what I got back was just some stainless steel bolts hanging on my flange with no nut. So solved my issue why I was not making any boost. The turbo was pretty much loose from the turbo log. So that's what ended up happening. I wish I could say that that's all that it did, and that's why I wasn't getting any boost. But I actually have one of these. I had one of these, this is obviously stainless. And I guess when I try to make boost, it actually ripped a little section out, and when I ripped that section, it actually sliced my AC line, my suction line from my AC, which obviously I ripped it out of the way just so I can have room. Obviously whatever was there was pretty much just trash. I got it right here. That's pretty much what it did right there, guys. Ripped it. There was left of my AC line. This was wrapped. I did have it wrapped with this right here, and obviously you can see where it punctured the hole and then it blew out. So that's all the oil from the compressor. So yeah, that's pretty much my little situation, what happened to me over the weekend. So right now we're just taking it apart. I really don't want to run it without AC, but I just want to make sure that that's what happened, and that's why I'm not getting any boost. Just double check everything, and then we'll see if we go ahead and put all this back on and then go take it out for a test drive. Make sure we're creating boost, and then bring it back here and wait until we get our AC line, because it is getting a little hot out there. I'm in my garage right now and I'm pretty much sweating. And yeah, I got my fan on. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but hopefully y'all can, even with the noise in the background. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back, minus the suction hose for the AC, and put everything back up, make sure we're creating boost, and see if that was the only issue. I think that's gonna be our issue. Obviously all the bolts were off, and you know, probably with time they just one by one started falling out, or maybe just all in that one day when I went out. So it's no big deal, guys. Luckily that's all that happened. You know, the truck could have caught on fire or anything like that. You know, it could have been a total loss. Good thing everything's good. It's just minor things. No big deal. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing back up and going, and put the turbo back on. So let's get it. Alright, guys, we'll fast forward a little bit. I went ahead and installed the turbo. I went ahead and bolted it down. You can see where I got the bolts down. Yeah, pretty much the turbo's back on. I went ahead and connected my oil feed and my oil drain down here. But yeah, everything's good to go. So now I just got to connect my downpipe and my cold side. Finished connecting my 90 right here to my cold side, and then we should be good to go. We should be good to turn it on and make sure everything that's working good. Maybe go do some test runs, and yeah, make sure we're making boost. So let's get it. Alright guys, and just like that, everything's back on. We got our turbo blanket on. We got our downpipe hooked up. We got our cold side finished. We ran our 90. It's all hooked up, ready to go. So now all we got to do is fire this thing up. Make sure we're creating boost. I might take it out of here. Obviously, we still got some daylight. And yeah, hopefully that's it, guys. I did tighten up those bolts, but obviously with the heat, it's just going to happen again. So I got to keep an eye on those bolts and make sure that they are nice and tight until I get some better bolts. I'm gonna see if I can get something when it's heated it doesn't expand or anything like that. So we'll see what we find, but for now that'll do. And yeah, let's go ahead and crank this thing on. Doing good. I just want to let the transmission get up to temperature. That way, you know, it's not cold when we make a little hit. Just a small hit. I'm not going too crazy. Just to see if it's making moves. Obviously, you don't want to do it with cars in your way, because all of a sudden this thing just goes. Actually, let me try the two-step just to make sure it's building boost on two-step. That's good to go. Damn. That felt good. Let's go with my boy Chris. Oh shit, he's driving the F-150. Damn, brand new truck. Look at him, look at him. Is this his first wash?
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations on the new Mama Luna.
First Mama Luna.
Hey, what year is it?
2024.
Nice.
How's that feel? How's that feel?
Pretty nice.
Hey, I fixed it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I fixed it. I gotta fix the AC line, that's it.
That's not true.
But I'm gonna make it like to where it's heat resistant. I'm gonna put like that little...
The sleeves?
Yeah, the sleeves.
The NASCAR sleeves or whatever?
Yeah, yeah. What you got planned for this one, Chris?
Nothing much. Just drop it. Maybe suspension work and see what it runs. Just try to get in the 750s and that's it.
750s for these are not hard.
Yeah, not hard.
I ain't gonna lie, with a drop, it's gonna look clean. And you got the tint, huh?
Yeah, I just got it done.
Damn.
By exclusive.
Shout out to Alex, my boy.
Yeah, Alex.
Exclusive car plug, guys. Y'all make sure y'all hit him up. Man, look at this, guys. Big screen. LED screen. Big screen. Damn. That's a big screen, my boy.
Yeah, but that's base model now.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
On a work truck. So yeah, guys, this is the 2024. Chris got the Coyote. You don't got the V6 EcoBoost or anything like that. It is a 4x4. I'm always ready to have fun. Huh?
With 373s?
373 gears. So is this like a 4th gen?
I think they call it Gen 4s.
Gen 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, guys. So right now my boy Chris is gonna do NA, and then maybe later, I don't know what, slap a whipple?
Nitrous?
Oh, say less.
Nitrous first?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a little different.
750s, and then I'll figure out how much horsepower I need to get the 650s, and then we'll see from there. The whip was cheaper, whip. The nitrous cheaper, nitrous.
Yeah. Okay. But see, the way you do nitrous, because obviously anybody's gonna be like nitrous is cheaper. But to buy all the programming and everything like that, to do it the
all
right
the extra
way.
modules, the bottle heaters, the bottle holders, and then have supplies of bottles. You know, it's if you want to be consistent at the track with nitrous, you got it's a chemical. At the end of the day, you can blow something up if you don't do it right.
Yeah. So Chris is gonna show you what these Coyotes do on some nitrous, and who knows, he's gonna go out there for the 750 class.
Yeah, just if it, let's say I drop it and then do the wheels and do everything, and it only runs like 780, I'll spray 50 shot.
Yeah. That's gonna be nice. You'll probably be at the same with my truck.
Yeah.
Or even probably beat me. I'm sure you probably beat me because these things are quick.
It's quick. As it is, it's quick.
Yeah.
It sucks that it cuts out at 105. Cause like it hits a wall.
Damn.
Like,
but it gets up there quick.
Quick. Yeah. Quick. It's nice. I love it.
It's a nice setup, and he got it in white. It was between this one and the gray one, right?
Yeah, gray.
So
there was also silver, but I waited 3 or 4 days. But you know, white looks good as it is.
And then already looking at the truck,
I honestly want to leave the work truck look. I like it.
Yeah, like a little, like kind of what, like fishing.
Like a farm truck kind of truck.
Yeah. Okay,
like OEM farm truck, brand new.
Yeah, no, it looks nice, man. I like the white for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe some color match, or you said you're gonna leave it, right?
I love it.
Man, I don't know.
If anything, just the front bumper, honestly. Just
yeah.
SLT bumper. That's it.
Yeah, because I mean, there's nothing else with chrome on the truck.
No, just change the XLT bumper and then put the XLT badge in.
Damn.
That's it.
I think it'll look sick, man.
Yeah.
For sure.
And also, like, you can't even get the XLT on 24 no more. That's it, you know.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, there's only XL and 24 single cab.
Oh, dang, that's crazy. I didn't know that.
No, that's why this is like.
So that's why you jumped on it, huh?
Well, yeah, they're making them less and less. You know, when that's happening, that means they're about to be discontinued or something. Something's about to happen.
Oh, damn.
You know what I'm saying? So get the last cool one before they go. You know, something changes.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw the screen. You know, I drove a 2022, and like, oh, you know, I need to go get the new one.
Yeah, no, I mean that screen's huge in there.
Yeah,
man.
it's not gonna get old for a while.
Yeah,
to me.
That's bigger than any aftermarket screen.
Yeah.
So you can't get. I mean, unless you do like what is that custom stuff, that iPad and stuff.
But no,
who wants to do that?
That doesn't compare to OEM.
Yeah, no, hell no. So, guys, y'all make sure y'all check out Chris. Definitely give Chris a follow and give the shop a follow, guys.
Yeah, yes, sir.
The shop has been helping me out a lot, guys. I've been spending a lot of time here, obviously off camera, but man, guys, I've been doing a lot of stuff. Chris has been helping me out behind the scenes. Ricky, Darwin, always helping me out, willing to, like, you know, diagnose the truck and everything like that and figure it out and fix it. So big shout out to the shop. Make sure y'all go ahead and give them a follow. And cause y'all need any work done, guys, like even on your mom's car, like it doesn't have to be performance or anything like that. Give them a call and you know, they can make an appointment on anything that needs to get repaired, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, they don't discriminate.
Look, we got this little nice Frontier.
Yeah, a little Frontier. So it's just, I mean, they'll work on performance and they'll work on everyday cars and trucks. So nothing crazy. And pretty soon Chris is gonna start doing some stickers for the shop and for him, for you know, anybody that gets tuned and everything like that. So that's in the works, no?
Yeah, it's in the works. We're getting the logo made right now.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we're not sure which would go with the sticker company, but you know, we're looking for the best quality. You know, the ones that can go through the most car washes.
Right. Yeah, definitely.
You know, that's one important thing. You know, we don't want to be fading away a year later.
Yeah, no, that's a big thing. You definitely gotta pay attention to quality and product, the product that you're putting out there. So, you know, you don't want to give somebody sell somebody something and it's gonna fade away with time or just start deteriorating. So, yeah, that's a big thing.
Yeah.
So, hey, congratulations, my boy.
Yeah.
But as y'all can see, guys, the truck did make boost. I don't want to go on it too crazy because, like I said, you start thinking it's all good and then you start going at it. And so I'm gonna go little by little, and yeah, we'll probably make a couple more pulls just to make sure that we're good. But we're gonna get that AC line because it's hot out here and I don't want to sweat.
No, and hey, AC is cold in this.
Yeah.
It's still fast.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. So
it's perfect daily.
Yeah, no, this is really nice. So, like I said, y'all make sure y'all follow Chris and keep the update on the truck and what he does.
Definitely gonna go E85 too, by the way. That's probably what I'll do first before nitrous.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's E85 is a big come up, man.
Yeah.
So are these flex or are they just
not
E85?
Flex. They're well, I need to dig into the tune, but the way I understand it is that it has wide bands, and the wide bands can accurately recognize the AFR that it's trying to achieve. So if it sees it's getting richer, it's assuming it's going to do like a virtual flex fuel. That's what I read about. But I want to get in it first and see what it can do. But anyways, for a race, I'm probably going to do like a race tune setup where it's always commanding the E85 stoic. You know, I'm probably going to be testing it and then put the stoic of that.
Okay, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Just for racing purposes.
So you're going to try everything on your truck first.
Yeah.
If it works, then you'll start doing it to the customers.
Everything, yeah.
Okay, okay. Damn. So there you go, guys. He's going to try everything on his truck. And yeah, if you happen to get a 24 crew cab too, because I mean they have a crew cab, huh? Crew cab. So crew cabs too. You know, definitely keep up with this page and maybe ask for the Chris package. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and hit the road back. I just want to, you know, let my boy Chris know. Obviously, he's my tuner, so I gotta let him know everything that I do to that truck, and that way, in case he needs to let me know what a better route to take, then I'll take that route. But we're good, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get out.